In दोस्तों, so today we are starting for the very interesting topic polynomials. In an algebraic expression, if the power of the variables are whole number, then that algebraic expression is known as polynomial. 6 is also a polynomial. 6 minus 7, 1 upon 2, 0, under root of 3, etc. Our constant number can be called as constant polynomial. 0 is also a constant polynomial. सो फर्स्ट वन हमने देखे पॉलिनोमियल क्या होते हैं, देन सेकेंड वन कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल देखे. सेकेंड वन हम देखेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल बेस्ड ऑन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. सो फर्स्ट वन देर आर द थ्री टाइप. फर्स्ट वन इज मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल एंड ट्राइनोमियल. मोनोमियल इट मीन्स लाइक इट्स रिप्रेजेंट अ सिंगल टर्म, and binomial it's represent a two term, and trinomial it's a represent of the three term, first one, second one and third one. These are the terms, right? Okay, इंडेक्स पावर पर डिपेंड नहीं करता है, आपका किस पर डिपेंड करेगा, टर्म्स पर. लाइक हाउ मेनी टर्म्स इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन, 1 2, सो दिस आर बाइनोमियल. एंड दिस एक्सप्रेशन हाउ मेनी टर्म्स, 1 2 3, सो दिस आर ट्राइनोमियल्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टर्म्स, राइट. अगर आपका टर्म्स मोर देन 3 है, so what is called as polynomial. More than 3 terms, it is called as polynomial. So polynomial are written as p of x, q of m, r of y according to the variable used. Like example, here is m is there, तो आपके according to the variable, तो इधर चेंजेस हो सकती है, ये लेटर भी चेंजेस हो सकते हैं, ये भी लेटर चेंजेस हो सकती है. So for example, p of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 5x minus 3, right? q of m is equal to m square plus 1 upon 2 m minus 7. r of y क्या आएंगे, is equal to y square plus 5. ये डिपेंडिंग ऑन द वेरिएबल्स है. सेकेंड वन देखेंगे डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. सो डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल, like example, degree of any non-zero constant polynomial is 0, right? Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. या obviously अगर कोई भी वैल्यू 0 आएगी तो obviously उसके आंसर भी 0 ही आएंगे. Now see that example, like that highest power of the degree of the polynomial in more than one variable. आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि किस में आपकी डिग्री मोर देन है, राइट. सो फर्स्ट वन 3m cube n raised to 6. So first one आपको काउंटिंग करना है. So a raised to m then a raised to n. What is the formula? a raised to m plus n. सेम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. So 6 plus 3 9 आ जाएंगे. 7m square then n cube क्या आ जाएंगे? So 3 plus 2 आ जाएंगे, राइट. माइनस m and n. m raised to 1 n raised to 1. So 1 plus 1 2 आ जाएंगे. Which one is highest power of the degree? 9. It means this is the highest power of the degree, right? Polynomial in two variable m and n, degree of the polynomial is 9, right? This is the highest power of degree. Second one देखेंगे. Now types of polynomial based on degree, right? अब इसमें आपका डिग्री के ऊपर डिपेंड है. Like example, अगर आपकी डिग्री 1 है, that is a linear polynomial. डिग्री 2 is there, it means quadratic polynomial. Degree 3 है, it means cubic polynomial, right? So first one degree 1 is there and this form of linear polynomial. ऐसा कोई मैटर नहीं करता है कि इसमें 1 टर्म होना चाहिए, 2 टर्म होना चाहिए या 0 टर्म होना चाहिए, कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए, ऐसा कोई डिपेंडिंग नहीं है. अगर आपकी डिग्री 1 है, it means this is a linear polynomial. Now standard form of ax plus b. Here a and b are coefficient and a naught is equal to 0. Second one, now degree of the 2y square plus y plus 1 and second one minus 3x square. Power is 2 is there, right? ना power it's depending. अगर आपकी डिग्री 2 है, so that is quadratic polynomial. Standard form क्या आएंगे, ax square plus bx plus c. Here a b c are coefficient and a not is equal to 0. अगर आपकी ये a is equal to 0 आती है, right? तो ये आपके लीनियर फॉर्म बन जाएंगे. इसीलिए यहाँ क्या गिवन है, a नॉट इज इक्वल टू 0. a नॉट इज इक्वल टू 0 रहेंगे, सो दैट मीन्स इट्स रिप्रेजेंट ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. लास्ट वन डिग्री ऑफ द 3. डिग्री ऑफ द 3 इट मीन्स पावर आपके रिप्रेजेंट होने चाहिए 3. So that is cubic polynomial. Now see that standard form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a, b, c, d are coefficient and a not is equal to 0. अगर फर्स्ट वन सेम एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट वन आपके 0 हो जाएंगे, so that is not a represent of the cubic polynomial. These are represent of the quadratic polynomial. So that means a not is equal to 0, it's a represent, get finding the value of this a cubic polynomial, right? Then polynomial, this is a standard form of the polynomial a n x raised to n plus a n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus and so on a 2 x raised to 2 a1 x plus 0 is a polynomial in x with a degree of n. Same as it is represent a and a raised to n a and a n minus 1 a2 a1 a0, so are the coefficient and a n not is equal to 0. Now index form. What is the index form? Standard form coefficient from the index form of a polynomial. So index form कैसे find out करेंगे? Let's see. P of x is equal to x minus 3x square plus 5, right? Now x raised to 4 is a polynomial in x, right, which can be written as descending power of the variable as x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus x then plus 5, right. This is called as standard form of polynomial, but in this polynomial there is no term having power of 3, right, power is 3 not there. So of the variable we can write it as 0x square, right. इंडेक्स फॉर्म हम कैसे लिखेंगे? इन द इंडेक्स फॉर्म. सो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल, बट पॉलिनोमियल देयर इज नो टर्म हैविंग पावर ऑफ द 3. सो वेरिएबल वी कैन राइट इट एज 0x raised to 3. It can be added to the polynomial and it can be written as x raised to 4 plus 0x square minus 3x square plus x plus 5. So this is form of the polynomial is called index form. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? इंडेक्स फॉर्म बोलेंगे, जो हम वन मोर ऐड करते हैं, इंडेक्स फॉर्म. सो सेकेंड वन एक और पॉइंट्स हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वन, नाउ 3x square plus 4x plus 5, right? This is a present of the expression and now whenever use of the 0 it means get finding the answer. So this is a equation. Second one, this is a name of the order. So these are terms, right? These are terms. How many terms in the expression? I'll write again 3x square plus 4x plus 5. In this expression how many terms? 3 terms, right? These are terms. So first one, second one and third one. Okay, what is a variable? Variable, it means it's a represent of the letter, right? These are variables. Variable with a number it's represent, that is called as coefficient. Variable, it's a number represent as, it is called as coefficient. Now what is the operator? Operator, it means symbols. Symbol, right? Second one, so this one is also represent as the constant. Why constant it's represent? Can you tell me? Like that example, 5x raised to 0. What is the answer? 5x raised to 0 is equal to 1. It means represent of the 5. So this one is constant, right? This a variable is there. Variable with the number represent, it means like coefficient. So this one is coefficient with variable get multiplication is equal to 5. So this one is represent as constant. Second one, now 9x raised to 0. What is that answer? 9 get multiply 1 is equal to 9, right? So this one is also constant. So these all are the polynomial. Next one video में हम start करेंगे practice set 3.1. जय हिंद दोस्तों.